And we're doing some factions let's play on Solstice. So what we're gonna be doing is a blaze farm, and as you guys can see, we are out in our base, and this is our base, but we need money because, you know, we're broke as fuck and we can't afford lobby. So this is what we gotta do. We're gonna be building a blaze farm. It's me and it's Katie. I think she's a mod. Yeah, mod. She's a mod. And so it's always nice. So right now I'm gonna be making some repeaters. Why? Because this blaze farm is hella crazy. Alright. There we go. Let's go ahead and make some redstone torches. I think we need 2 stacks. Yeah, I think we need 2 stacks. There we go. And yeah, that looks about right, I think that looks right. There we go. 1 stack. Not that much. As you guys can see, it looks pretty fucking sick. So basically, I believe they're just gonna be dropping down. I don't know. We're gonna have to see what works. Alright. So she's doing the redstone repeater things, and I'm doing the rest of the building and shit. So yeah. I'm really bad with building these kind of things, so pretty much just, you know, seeing what works. I don't know what to do with this though. That's the only thing. Wait. I'm almost thinking, what if we were to put signs? Alright, let's try this. Okay, yeah. Let's go up. Oh, wait. What if we were to put, like, a platform? Make a platform. So what if we were to make a platform and make it out more so that, and maybe put water buckets around everything so that they will kind of take damage and fall. What the fuck? Leave. God damn it. I hate when people fucking TP, because it's like, really, that just makes me feel like I'm gonna get raided, you know? I cannot stand. I can't stand when people fucking force TP in my base, and I just feel like, well, I'm gonna get raided tomorrow. So it's like, I don't know, it's annoying. It's super annoying. Alright, so, well, I do know for a fact that if it is, you know, if we do get raided and there's no trails, we're over 15,000 blocks out. I'm not going to tell you exactly where, but if we do get, you know, I log in, we got fucked up, I know that it wasn't just a coincidence, somebody found it. So let's just hope that doesn't happen. But if it does, I'm probably not going to be on here. Alright, so basically they fall down and fall down. Alright, so I'm thinking maybe let's put some cobble down here, and here, and here, and let's put this out 8 blocks. Can you go 4 water buckets. 8. Shit. Alright. So if we were to put this out. I am totally just pulling this out of my ass. I have no idea what I'm doing, but this might actually work. So I'm thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So because water buckets travel 8 blocks, so I figured maybe have them stop there so that they just go right off the edge. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. And all this other stuff, I'm guessing just fill in. Not really sure. Not really sure what. Alright, let's try this though. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I feel like this isn't gonna work, but you know it's worth a try. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. That looks sexy. Alright. Honestly, I don't know what to do with the rest of this. This is like really, I'm really unsure. Let's see. I could put this up 1. Maybe spread it out. Because I want to get all of them to go down there. So let's just make a bit of a platform. Oh yeah. Wait. I'm thinking maybe I could make it like a platform type thing. Like a mob spawner platform where it all goes into the middle, which should be the corner. I don't know if it will go to the corner though. I'm probably making this way more difficult than I have to, but you know what? It's all good. It's all good in the hood. Because you know what? This is how you learn these things. Granted, I could just like make or go on YouTube or some shit, but honestly, I'm gonna try to figure this out myself. I think I can do it. So I'm thinking about making these like little pad type things. Now, this is kind of getting to look like a natural spawning mob grinder. Let's go ahead and make this out again. That. Alright. So you got 4 of these bad boys now. Let's go out here. Now I'm not going to be using this. This is just going to be for my water source. Sorry guys, I am so out of it today. Let's go ahead and put the water source down. There we go. And shit. Crusher. Huh. It's an interesting name. What do you crush? Like, do you crush like nuts and shit? Who knows? Alright. Oh, fuck. Oh. Tired. Stay up all night. And I'm probably gonna stay up all night for this too because, you know, I'm so bad at building these things that I just don't even know. I'm more of a base defense. I mean, as you guys know, I do more base defense than I do anything else. Oh god. Let's hope he's not back trolling around. Alright. So, if I'm right, it'll stop there. Okay. blazes will take damage but not die by it, hopefully. And I hope this works, because I think it'd be pretty sick if it did. Alright. So I'm thinking blazes can go in here and take damage enough to fall down there. And so bad. And then alright, cool. I'm just gonna use stone. Fuck it. Alright. So this is not even. I think I have to go out a little bit more. What am I even trying to do here? Like, I don't even know. Shit. Okay. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing at all, whatsoever. Like, honestly, I have no idea whatsoever. Wow. That was a harsh thing to say. Shit. Alright. I'm thinking... I'm thinking maybe putting this down and having one single piston push it. I don't know if that would work. I'm just giving it some extra room, I guess. What if, you know what? What if I was just to leave this up? Like, I was just to leave it up like this. Just put the walls up like this. And then... maybe... Okay. Mine out these heads with me. Yeah, what if I was to mount the pads and basically where they spawn is these little trenches? What if that was to work? Thank God I have fly though. Oh, wait, no. Let's leave this like that. Okay. No, actually, let's just mine this back a little bit. Oh, shit. I just mined one of that redstone. There we go. Alright. So let's go ahead and mine this back again. Now, I don't know if this would be very efficient, but like I said, I'm just learning how to do these kind of builds. And I will probably never build one of these again, just for the fact that I don't like blaze grinders. I think they're pretty inefficient when it comes to looking at like a creeper spawner or something. But we don't have enough money for that, so... And obviously this is just to get us enough money for something, you know, like building the base and stuff. Alright, let's go ahead and do that. Like that, and then like this. There we go. And let's connect it. No, we don't connect that shit. Shit. Forgot about this. I am like doing the worst recording ever right now. Sorry guys. I'm just really bad. Like I'm really freaking bad when it comes to building these things. But you know what? That's how you learn. Alright. So let's go ahead and do this over here. And let's go right here. Put this bad boy right there. And we're going to go ahead and take this out right here. Alright. This is absolutely not necessary. I think it just looks kind of better, I guess. I don't know. We're going to go ahead and take out this. No. Take out this. Because we don't want this extra shit here. Just because it looks ugly. Jeez. Alright. So we're just going to have it to where it's like follows that. Maybe put a casing over it so that the redstone doesn't get messed up. Wait, what? Over there, buddy. There we go. So let's go ahead and mine this out. She's over there mining shit. Or killing enemy and shit. Alright. Alright, so I think this is good. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Build these up. Alright, so if we build these up, she's invisible or some shit, I don't even know. I got particles on her, she must be in Vanish. Alright. So, that's the bad thing about having somebody as a freaking staff, because they'll sit there and troll you. No, 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 no. Not the corners. Alright. So if we put them up, let's say this many more tall. Oh shit, I just remember we're gonna have to blast this out when we're done. Shit. Alright, so we're just gonna make it this tall and I'm not gonna make it too extravagant. Extravagant, that word though. Shit. Alright. So we're not gonna make it too extravagant, we're just going to be making it kind of simple. Just simple enough to get the job done, kind of thing. Alright. So, don't even know if she's... No. Alright. So... I'm thinking this is actually gonna work. I don't know. I don't know. It's too early to tell. Okay, so what my idea is, we have these up, and when the blazes spawn, they just drop into this pit, and it carries them. I'm really, really hoping that the pit there, that water doesn't actually kill them. I'm thinking it could be just borderline enough to kill them. I don't know. Alright, so let's put a cap on here. Alright, so I need to get more cobblestone. Just gonna chuck these sticks out. There we go. So let's get more cobblestone now. This looks so ugly, but it looks efficient. Alright. So guys, each chest we have 15 blaze spawners to work with. So that's gonna be pretty nice. We have 2 pig spawners too. I don't know if you can actually change. I'm really not sure if you can change spawners. I'm gonna try it. I don't think you can. Let me just try it though. Spawner. Okay. So you can't. It's no big deal. Alright. It actually looks kind of cool, to be honest. Alright. So let's go ahead and get this built up. Damn, somebody has ADHD. Sorry. Alright. So let's go ahead and put a cap over this. And over this. Now we could make it taller from our blazes. And now I don't actually know how this is gonna work because wait. I'm kind of thinking, what if we were to do the same pattern over there, where the blazes step on the things and then they get scooted out. Therefore, we could have a much larger area for placing. We could literally double our placing space. I'm gonna try this out. I'm just gonna try it out. I'm just gonna try it over here, I think. So what if we were to have it like up here, have these with pressure plates, have these have repeaters there. And this would actually increase the space by quite a bit, I think. Well, maybe a few blocks or something, but I think that'd be just enough. And then, okay, so they would fall. Ding. Shit. Oh, no. Wait, did I do that? Oh, that's right. It should be right. Okay, so I think we just put... I think you put the, okay, let's see. Set them up. Okay, I don't really know how you set these up. Oh shit. So do you do this? No, what the Alright. I'm totally probably messing myself up right now. Why aren't they extending? Alright, well this is going to be episode 1. I'm pretty sure I've been building for like the past 30 minutes. Like episode 1 of the Blaze Grinder, alright guys? So I will continue like right after this. Alright, peace out.